Vending machines are one of the best sources of passive income. As long as you keep them stocked and maintained, and place them somewhere with a decent amount of foot traffic, vending machines will keep generating income for you month after month. But if you're sick of the standard snack and soda vending machines, we've compiled a list of the weirdest vending machines out there that could still be insanely profitable. Plus, chances are you won't have any competition because these machines are just so unique. Let's take a look. Pizza. No longer do you need to hit up the local pizzeria and wait in line for a fresh slice, because vending machines are now capable of pumping it out in minutes. Pizza vending machines have started popping up all across Italy in the last couple of years, but you'll probably start seeing these stateside real soon. Let's Pizza, the company behind these innovative machines, boasts that they're capable of whipping up a pizza in as little as 3 minutes. Books. Specialty vending machines over at the National Museum of Singapore provide customers with instant access to graphic novels, poetry collections, classic literature, and modern bestsellers. While such machines are extremely scarce elsewhere, you could probably make a killing vending books and magazines out of places like airports, transit hubs, and bustling shopping centers. Fishing bait. Most of the time when you need a bucket of worms or any other bait, you've got to go to your local bait shop or convenience store. The team over at the Bait Bank, however, believe that all of that simply takes too much time. This company makes specialty refrigerated vending machines capable of dishing out everything a fisherman needs. Instead of stopping at the store, you can now pick up everything you need with speed and convenience. Caviar. If you're in Beverly Hills and suddenly get a craving for some Imperial River beluga caviar, then you're in luck, because several machines throughout the neighborhood sell ounces of the stuff for a whopping $500 each. They also offer luxury treats like escargot and truffles. Obviously, this isn't a vending machine idea that is going to work in a lot of markets. But if you happen to live near an affluent area that enjoys indulging in high-end delicacies, then you might be able to turn a killer profit with a machine like this. French fries. In Australia, you can buy hot French fried potatoes that are made to order in a matter of seconds through specialty vending machines that are equipped with flash fryers. For as little as $2, Aussies can walk away with a packet of perfectly seasoned golden brown fries. Cupcakes. With machines in Chicago, LA, and other parts of the US, Sprinkles Cupcake ATMs offer customers freshly baked cupcakes 24 hours a day at just a few bucks a pop. Right now, the company has big plans to expand elsewhere, so you might start seeing them around you soon. And that means it could be a great time to join in on the expansion. Hot dogs. Hot dogs are already one of the most popular convenience foods. They're pre-cooked and ready in a matter of minutes. But now, you no longer have to hit up the gas station or grill them yourself. Leon's Grill vending machines offer consumers a selection of dogs, they split the buns, and then assemble the two items in seconds. So clearly, you can vend just about anything you can think of. Beyond the machines we just discussed, everything from neckties to cannabis has been showing up in vending machines. If you take the simple vending machine business model and a little bit of creative thinking, you could be sitting on a passive income goldmine. If you want to get back to the basics, check out our videos here on the vending machine side hustle and the best vending machine you can buy this year. We'll see you in the next video.